Khan Academy is a non-profit organization, which was founded in 2005 by Salman Khan with the aim of providing free education. The goal of the organization that stated in its mission statement is providing free, world-class education to anyone, anytime. The mission statement is also the motto of the school. As a non-profit organization, it is tax-exempt under the U.S. Federal Income Tax Section 501(c)(3). As 501(c)(3) organization, the Khan Academic is mainly run through donations from philanthropic organizations for different causes. Individuals can also make personal donations through the website to support the operation of the organization. In 2010, the organization received $2 million from Google to support the creation of new courses and the translation of content. The Carlos Slim Foundation also made a donation towards creating Spanish versions of the content available on video in 2013. AT&T on its part made a donation in 2015 which was seeking to support the conversion of the content into mobile version which could be accessible through the apps. The academic provides a personalized learning experience through videos hosted on YouTube and which are also available within the organization's website. The website further offers content and services which supplement the video content like tracking of progress and practice exercises. Recently, the organization also created a mobile app through which the services available on the website can be accessed. The Khan video content, which is available in the YouTube channel, has been translated to a number of languages since the organization uses English as the official language. The platform is fully available in some languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, French, and Bangla. These translations are available for other languages partially. Partnership with Pixar has allowed organization users to learn animation through the Khan Academic platform. It is the official site when people can practice SAT, the standardized test utilized for college entry in the US. The key segment offers children the ability to learn through the educational program meant for children of different ages. The flipped classroom concept is a strategy in which the academic roles became reversed, such that activities considered to be traditionally done in class are done outside, while those traditionally conducted at home are done in class. Within this setting, activities like lectures are provided at home, as students are able to watch video. Homework is discussed with fellow students in class, as the individuals interact with each other. This model can only be applied within settings where school administration have facilities which support the utilization of video content for learning. Integration into the national model thus becomes increasingly difficult. This sample video titled "Empires Before World War I" explains the formation of the modern countries in Europe and concludes that linguistic backgrounds played a critical role in the formation of the modern kingdoms. The most interesting element about the video is the fact that it has subtitles provided in English, which aid to support one understand content which might not be heard clearly. The instructions are delivered in a mode similar to a classroom, and one gets the feeling of interacting with a lecturer in the online platform. Visual aids provided as the speaker explains the content make the video increasingly similar in appearance to a class and Blackboard environment.
All different types of ethnicities. This is kind of a zoom in of the Austro-Hungarian Empire leading into World War I. And the Austro-Hungarian Empire is probably the most important thing to understand if we're trying to get a sense of how World War I started. Because leading up to World War I, in 1908, the Austro-Hungarian Empire formally annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina. And that's another confusing thing for many of us, that's actually one country. It's called Bosnia and Herzegovina, or I guess for the Austro-Hungarians, that was, I guess, now one region that they annexed. And what's interesting about that is if you look at the linguistic map, you see that this whole region right over here speaks a very similar, essentially they're dialects of Serbian, Croatian, Bosnian. They're all.
This is the reference pages. Thank you. That's all.